Oh my God. We got the phone on. Y'all ready for this? Ringtones. Y'all didn't know nothing about these ringtones. We thought we were legit with this. We even had jingle bells. I'm trying. This is what my phone was on. Take me out to the ball game. Tell me you're a ball player without telling me you're a ball player. I cannot believe I got this. This phone is like 25 years old. 25 years old. Okay, but not even that. There were still some text messages saved in it. I took pictures of those because it's probably about to cut off. But Snake, you were nothing if you weren't killing the game of Snake. Like, killing it. And can't wait for my kids to get home from school because I'm about to teach them how you sent a text message. You wanted to say, hey, it was 4433999. We didn't have predictive text. You had to type your way to those numbers. You had to type through those numbers, get all the way to the letter you wanted. We could literally send messages in Morse code. Like, I have no idea. Like, I swear to God, I wish they still made these phones. The fact that this phone is 25 years old, still cuts on, speaks to Nokia. Okay? Nokia had us by the throats. Nokia had us. You couldn't kill these phones. Apple, trash. Give me a Nokia, okay?